hope you all enjoyed our music video where we sung about the scientific method. We sure had a lot of fun doing that. We're going to get started into our science activity for the day. We're going to do our very first experiment. Our learning target is, I can follow the scientific method and make a prediction in a science experiment. So I thought we would do one of my favorite activities and one of Jude's favorite activities, science and baking, to do an experiment. So come with me to my kitchen and we'll get started. So I feel like baking something. So I'm going to open my cupboard. And I see baking powder. I wonder what baking powder even does. Do you know? No. So grade 3, that was me doing the first step of the scientific method, which is make an observation of the world around us. And then I asked the question. I made the observation, what does baking powder even do? Next, I'm going to do some research on that before I get started. I'm going to do some research on my phone. Thank you. Oh, okay. Baking powder works by putting carbon dioxide into the batter. I wonder what that does. So it causes a chemical reaction. So baking is science. So now I'm going to take what I've learned and make a prediction. So I wonder what would happen if I made a cake with baking powder and one without baking powder. Should we try it out? Okay, let's try it out. So for this cake, we'll get the ingredients shown to you here. I have flour, cocoa powder, brown sugar, oil, milk, baking powder, and chocolate chips. So all we have to do for this cake, it's kind of a funny cake because it's just in a mug, so it's just for one person. I love this cake and I make it all the time. So we're gonna do the one with baking powder first. So I'm gonna get Jude to help me out, and all you have to do is put the ingredients in a mug.
Okay.
Yep. Good. Oil. Good.
What's this?
This is milk. Here's our special ingredient, the baking powder. Chocolate chips. Whoa, good. And now we're gonna mix it all up. I'm gonna grab a fork. And Jude, I'm gonna get you to mix it all up. Yep. Good. While he's mixing it up, I'll explain what this mug is. I did one ahead of time without any baking powder. So what we're going to do next is we're going to make a hypothesis. So what does that word even mean? That is the prediction that we're going to make about what's going to happen when we bake these. Jude, what's your prediction? Wait, turn off the camera. I want you guys to make your prediction about what's going to happen when we put a cake in the microwave with baking powder and one without. What is the baking powder going to do?